Today, my friend's showing me how to make pozole rojo. First of all, in a large pot of water, she puts some hominy, quite a bit of hominy, and an onion cut in half, about 3 pounds of pork. Make sure that some of the pork has bones on it, and a couple bay leaves and a couple of garlic cloves. While that's cooking, we rehydrated the peppers, pasilla, ancho, and guajillo. And when they're softened, put them in a blender, blend them up, and then separate the liquid through a strainer. Now put the pulp from the chili peppers back in the blender with an onion, a can of tomatoes, a little bit of the rehydration juice, and some Mexican oregano, and perhaps some cilantro. Add a generous amount of salt and blend that up. Now she's putting some masa into the pot, and then pouring in the rojo juice, and that will simmer for a couple hours. You'll cut the meat into smaller pieces and then serve with a whole lot of garnishes.